These daily affirmations for self-confidence are excellent to use by focusing on each one and repeating it to yourself. Listening to them in the background where you don't really hear them but your subconscious mind will, or by listening to them as you drift off to sleep. However you use them, they are sure to add self-confidence and happiness to your life. All I need to succeed is already within me. Anything and everything is possible for me. Each day, I am more aware of my innate beauty, creativity, and abundance. Every challenge in my life is an opportunity to grow. Every day, I become a better version of myself. Every day is an opportunity to be better for myself. Every day is another chance to shine. Everything I overcome is a success. Everything is within my reach. I achieve everything I want. I already have everything I need for success. I am a good person who deserves to be treated with respect. I am a successful and happy person. I am at peace with myself. I am a valuable human being. I am beautiful, intelligent, fun, and full of life. I am brave and inspired. I am confident and value myself. I am confident in my abilities. I am consistent. I am creating my dream life every single day. I am creative, strong, and powerful. I am deeply grateful for my body and my health. I am doing a great job. I am enough. I am grateful for everything I've accomplished so far. I am grateful for my journey. I am grounded, supported, and deeply loved. I am growing and learning every day. I am in complete control of my emotions. I am in control of my life. I am magical. I am making the right choices in life. I am motivated to become the best version of myself. I am perfect just the way I am. I am so grateful for my unique talents. I am stronger than I think. I am stronger than my fears. I am surrounded by grace and positivity. I am whole and complete. I am worthy of happiness. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of success. I am worthy of the compliments I receive. I appreciate myself for who I am. I assert myself and stand up for myself and others. I attract wonderful things into my life. I believe in my abilities and decisions. I believe in myself. I celebrate and reward myself for every win, no matter how small it may seem. I choose to trust myself. I choose to trust the process. I create my destiny. I deserve all the good that comes to me. I deserve to be happy. I deserve to be paid well for my skills. I do anything I set my mind to. I do my best every day. I don't have to apologize for my emotions and attitudes. I don't have to be perfect. I don't have to stay around people that don't make me happy. I don't have to waste time on people whose company I don't enjoy. I don't need to overanalyze. I don't need validations from others to know how good I am. I embrace my flaws and imperfections. I embrace my happiness. I encourage myself with positive thoughts. I enjoy taking risks. I enjoy the present moment. I express my emotions. I express my true self. I express my true self with ease. I feel good about myself. I get over mental blocks. I graciously accept compliments from others. I have everything I need to succeed. I have so much self-worth and inner beauty. I have the power to change the world. I have the power to create the life I want. I have the right to feel confident. I know I can face every challenge with ease. There is nothing I cannot overcome. I let go of my insecurities. I like who I am and who I'm becoming. I look fondly upon memories of my past. I look forward to the future. I love how I look. I love myself for who I am. I love myself more and more each day. I overcome every obstacle that comes my way. I radiate confidence. People around me can feel it. I release negative self-talk and do not need validations from others. I respect myself and others appreciate me. I see myself walking confidently into every situation. I show up every day and do my best. I take time to relax. I trust my gut. It's okay to leave my comfort zone. I value myself. Many people like me and admire me. My body is beautiful exactly the way it is. My contributions are valued and appreciated. My emotions are valid and they matter. My family and friends enjoy spending time with me. My future is bright. My future is positive. My goals are already being accomplished. My happiness and well-being are important. My life is a miracle and I belong here. My mood doesn't depend on other people's opinions. My power is unlimited. My thoughts create my reality. My voice is important. Nobody has the right to make me feel less worthy. Nothing can stop me from achieving my dreams. Nothing is more important than my belief in me. People look up to me. People value my work, my time, and my love. People want to hear my thoughts and opinions. People want what I have. The love I give myself is reflected in all areas of my life. There is nothing I'm afraid of. There's nobody else like me. I am unique and wonderful. There's nothing I need to change about myself to be accepted and loved. There is nothing I need to do or be to earn love or respect. The unknown is exciting and full of possibilities. When I set my mind on something, I won't stop until I reach it. What I want is coming to me.